Welcome to our facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how fresh watermelons are produced year-round, step by step.
Forget the ordinary. Forget agriculture as you know it. This isn't a farm. This is where nature is re-engineered by technology. Welcome to the future of flavor, the Watermelon Atelier. Perfection isn't left to chance. It is designed. From millions of genetic codes, we select the single flawless seed.
Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are blended to precise ratios, ensuring the perfect balance for sweetness and flavor development.
Humidity levels in sector gamma are slightly elevated.
Adjust the misting cycle by 5 seconds.
Confirmed.
Planted not in soil, but into a pure life gel with gold-plated precision. We don't wait for the rain. A sparkling elixir of life, crafted from glacial water and rare minerals. Every drop is calculated by artificial intelligence down to the millimeter. Here, fruit isn't merely grown, it is sculpted, encased in smart glass molds within a zero-stress environment. They achieve geometric perfection. No wind, no pests, only the gentle touch of robotics. And then, the harvest. A unique serial number is laser etched onto every rind. It doesn't go into a crate. It enters a silk-lined velvet jewelry box. Molecular scanners confirm. The sugar content is flawless, the texture pristine. Only the best, those that meet the platinum standard, leave these doors. This isn't just a watermelon. This is a masterpiece of the modern world. Luxury, grown by science. Are you ready to taste the future?
And that's how premium watermelons are produced. Irrigation, from seed to store.